Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by softening 8 Oz cream cheese so it blends smooth. This prevents lumps. Once softened, add 1/2 cup powdered sugar and 1 tsp vanilla because the sugar sweetens while vanilla rounds flavor. Make sure to include a pinch of salt to amplify sweetness balance. Use an electric mixer on low for 30-45 seconds, then scrape the bowl. This ensures even texture. If you prefer less sweet, reduce sugar by 20% and taste as you go. Once the base is uniform, fold in 1/2 cup sour cream or Greek yogurt to loosen texture and add tang. This creates that classic cheesecake mouthfeel. Next, choose 1/2 cup of mix-ins like fruit jam, lemon zest, or cocoa powder to define the flavor profile. Add gradually so you can control intensity. Beat on medium for 10-15 seconds. Don't overwhip because excess air ruins creaminess. Make sure to scrape sides and fold gently until smooth. You finish by transferring the dip to a serving bowl and chilling for 30-60 minutes. Chilling firms texture and lets flavors meld. Once chilled, garnish with extra zest or a swirl of jam, then serve with fruit, crackers, or graham pieces for contrast. If the dip is too runny, don't panic. First, cold chill for 20-30 minutes. If still loose, fold in 2 tablespoons softened cream cheese to thicken while maintaining flavor. Taste and adjust sweetness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.